Good morning, everyone. I am Mayank Jha and you're watching Amity TV. Today, we are joined by an academic and a public figure who has meaningful contributions towards law and education. He is also the national spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party and assistant professor of law at Patna University. He is also known for his work on social justice and Dalit empowerment through his writings and public engagements. Please welcome Mr. Guru Prakash Pasman, sir. We are truly delighted to have you here with us today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, you come from a strong academic background in law. What motivated you to pursue this field and how it has shaped your overall journey so far?
No, I've been passionate about academics since my childhood only. Both my parents have been professors. My sister, my wife, everyone in the family is a professor. So there was always a natural desire and a curiosity to understand the world, to understand how society functions. So I think after completing my law from National Law University, Bhopal, I finished my master's and then my PhD. Then academic was the obvious choice because it gives you the leg space, the liberty, and an option to explore further, to challenge your preconceived notions, to challenge your existing ideas, and to sort of venture into newer areas. So I think that is the reason.
As an educator and a public speaker, how do you see the role of young people in shaping India's future?
They're extremely important. They are of fundamental importance, especially in the context of Viksit Bharat 2047. I think our generation, the young generation also, they are going to be the cornerstone. They're going to be the building blocks for Viksit Bharat. I think they have a very important role to play with the entire conversation around innovation, the entire conversation around new scientific discovery, entrepreneurship. I think the youngsters are at the core. The youngsters are at the center of the foundation of building of a new prosperous, developed and Viksit Bharat.
You've been part of many national as well as international conferences, platforms and discussions. What is the one key learning from your experiences?
I think it's very important to build connections, to have an appetite for collaborations, because this day and age is the day and age for connections, coordination and collaboration. The 3 C's which I say: connect, coordinate and collaborate. There are multiple ideas, there are multiple avenues. We must sort of articulate ourselves, expose ourselves to newer ideas, and the world out there is very receptive to new conversations. So I think for the youngsters like you, I would sincerely urge them to connect, coordinate and collaborate.
And learn something new from everybody.
Absolutely.
In your opinion, how education can be made more impactful and relevant?
I think education is constantly evolving with the advent of new technology, with the advent of artificial intelligence. The conventional wisdom, the conventional idea of knowledge is being challenged. And I think our youngsters are appropriately placed to understand this, that as the speed of the evolution is happening, our youngsters should also keep pace with the rapidly changing pace in the development of education.
Keep adapting with the change.
Absolutely, yeah.
So we are delighted to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How was your experience visiting Amity University Patna at Takfir?
No, I think it's important because Bihar, I often refer to as the youngest state of the country. Our demographic dividend is our greatest advantage, and be it employment, be it newer opportunities, be it IT, innovation, entrepreneurship, I think there is a lot to do in Bihar. There is a lot to collaborate in Bihar. And I think Amity University and any private institution offer such platform for exchange of ideas and for brainstorming on the future of Bihar and the future of my country.
So it was a privilege speaking with you.
Likewise,
Thank you so much
likewise.
for
Thank you.
valuable insights and time. For more such conversations, keep watching Amity TV.
Thank you.